At the Ideal Tridon Group, we manufactured engineered components that support, secure, and connect critical applications that enable the flow of gases, liquids, and energy around the world. We're the global leader in stainless steel band clamps, metal framing systems, and fluid flow control components, thanks to our commitment to service, quality, and long-term customer relationships. Ideal Tridon is a growing family of brands, offering thousands of solutions and backed by a global network of application experts. Our clamps, strut fittings, and couplings play a critical role for many of the world's largest corporations, as well as millions of local businesses across dozens of industries, and we are always looking for new ways to support our customers. With a strong global presence and passion for helping our customers succeed, the potential for Ideal Tridon is limitless. After over 100 years and billions of proven designs, we look forward to what the future will bring.
We are
the Ideal Tridon Group. We are Ideal Tridon Group. Ideal Tridon Group. Ideal Tridon Group. Ideal Tridon Group.
我们是
Ideal Tridon集团，耶！
Nosotros somos
Ideal Tridon Group.
我们是 Ideal Tridon Group.
Ik ben
Ideal Tridon Group.
Ideal Tridon Group.
Ideal Tridon Group.
Ideal Tridon Group.
Jestem Ideal Tridon Group.
We are the Ideal Tridon Group.